Hello there, my marketing friends and fellow JVs. Steve Chase here with VidAffiliate, and I'd like to welcome you to take part in my launch of ClickBank Survival Cash, which is my next product in a line of video review funnels on ClickBank products. And in this case, I've taken 5 of the top-selling survival niche ClickBank products, which are, of course, probably pretty hot right now because people during Corona, people are looking for answers and info, and these 5 products are actually ones that would sell pretty well. Plus, there's a bonus. There's a pretty decent funnel. The front end is going to be 5 review video funnels plus a 6, which is a bonus. The first upsell is this time I'm actually bringing in the websites, their review websites fully made out with videos, their video review websites that include the 5 videos for each product. And then also extra videos. I filled it out. And what's really nice about these review websites, so basically there's 6 websites in the first upsell for the 5 products plus the 1 bonus. But in each website, it's easy for your customers to be able to go in there, install it, and then change a couple in the things in the settings, and are good to go. Plus, I've included a way for them to build a list. I've actually included a WordPress plugin that's an email plugin, and I've put forms within the website, so they'll be able to actually, and they'll be ready to go. I mean, they don't have to attach an Aweber or a GetResponse or anything. They'll have to do some settings within the plugin itself if they want to send emails, but it's already made that they can go right away, and if people start signing up for like updates, it's good to go. Then the next upsell, OTO number 2, is my Cloud Video Brander software that I did in my last launch. It actually converted pretty well. So that's another software that some people who didn't buy before, or new people who are into this product, they'll enjoy that. And then the last upsell is another software I have rights to sell, Button Creator. It's a software they download. It's for both PC and Mac, and it's an Adobe Air software. It installs up, and then they can create buttons, and it's actually really, really cool. So it's actually a really good funnel, and I think it will convert well. I've made the product smaller this time. Instead, last time I did 10 videos. This time it's 5 videos plus a 6th. The 5 products are, let me see, I think I have my list here. Let me take a look. I'm going to go off script for a second. So we have the Ape Survival Strike Pen, which is a free plus shipping giveaway, which is good. Easy Seller, which is about building root cellars and about survival techniques. That's a book. Shockwave Torch, which is a tactical flashlight that they purchase. The Lost Ways, which is another survival type book, a 350-page book, all about survival techniques. Water Freedom System, which is about building a system, a machine of some sort to help create water. And the bonus, which some people may like, is the Trump Victory Coin 2020 giveaway. It's a victory coin. It's very Trumpy. So for those, I mean, love them or hate them, there are people out there who would buy this, and they are the market for it. So that's the bonus review funnel. So those 6 for the videos in the front end, then the OTO 1 are the websites, then OTO 2 is the Cloud Video Brander software, and OTO 3 is the Button Creator. Below this video should be a link to my JV doc so you can see some other information. There's also, I've set up a sample website with videos on a domain. You can look right there, so you can click and actually go to a full website, which will show you everything about how it'll get emails, how it will give all the videos. I filled it up. So it's actually, the site's ready to go. Your people, if they buy the videos and then the sites, they can literally put them up. It's a WordPress site, and I'll give training on how to, install them. It's actually relatively pretty simple. If you can follow the steps, you can do it. And then they're good to go. And I'm also doing flipping rights for the websites. So people buy the front end and the OTO 1. They can then take those sites, buy domains, and flip them. So for anybody who has people on their lists that are into domains, domaining, and looking for ways to increase the value of their domains, that's actually a good product to promote to them. So if you have any questions, JV Doc will give you ways to get a hold of me. You can always Facebook message me, and if you have any other questions, and please get your affiliate link. The launch begins on April 5th at 9 a.m. Eastern time, and it'll go a full week. There'll be a small contest, and I would love to see you on board. So thank you very much. This is Steve Chase with VidAffiliate, wishing you a great day. Thanks.